Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am doing this very pink Barbie girl makeup that I am not at all used to. But I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to see how I made this look, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with brows, and I'm using the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Next I will be priming my lids, and today I'm just using the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer from NYX. And now I am grabbing the Ultra Matte's V1 palette from Sleek Makeup, and I will be setting my lids with this white color. There we go. And next I will be going in with this pink in the crease and in my outer corner, I think. And next I will be going in with this pink, which is slightly darker than the other one, and I will be putting this in my crease. And next I will be going in with this baby pink color, and I will put this on my entire lid, I think. And now I will just be going in a bit with the Storm palette by Sleek Makeup. And I will be taking this pale pink color and put it on top of what I put on my lid. And next I will be going in with eyeliner, so I'm using the Makeup Store Cake Eyeliner. So next I will be going in with the Big Eyes Liner from Maybelline, and I will start by putting the black side in my upper waterline. And for mascara, I'm using the veryme Extendalash Mascara. And next I will be moving on to my face, but since you've seen it so many times, I will skip it for the camera and I will be right back. Like so. And now I will just be putting my brows in place, so I'm using the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal. And now I will be going back into eyes, so I'm going back in with the Ultra Matte's palette, and I'm grabbing this pink color and I'm putting it in my, well, under my lower lash line. And I'm also going back in with the Storm palette and this light pink glittery shade, and I'm putting it in my inner corner. Like so. And now I'm going back in with the Big Eyes liner, and I'm taking the white side and putting it in my lower waterline. And also back in with my veryme Extendalash Mascara, and I'm putting it on my lower lashes. I can't speak today. And now I'm going to finish my face, so I'm taking the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I will start by shading my face, so I'm using the colors Mafe and Cigar. And for blush, I'm going in with the color Pinwheel. And for highlight, I'm going in with Milky Way. And last but not least well, not last, but next I'm going in with lips. So I think I'm using this. This is the liquid Suede cream lipstick from NYX, and this is in the color Tea and Cookies. And I think it will be a nice fit. Wow, very Barbie girl. But yeah, for lashes, I think I'll be putting on the Famous Lashes by Stella Makeup. So I will be putting those on, and I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. It is obviously very pink, not very me at all. Well, I like the eyes. I have a bit of a problem with the lips, they're too light, but it's okay. Let's just pretend like everything's normal. But yeah, so this is the finished look, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought about this tutorial or what you want to see in a future video. And I will see you next time. Bye!